The cabin air filter in 2021 to 2023 Chevy Suburbans is located behind the passenger side glove box. Its primary function is to trap dust, pollen, mold spores, and other airborne contaminants, improving air quality inside the vehicle. Replacing this filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually is crucial to maintain good airflow, AC performance, and prevent musty odors. Neglecting this can lead to reduced ventilation and potential mold growth, impacting passenger comfort and health. First, park on a level surface and turn off the engine and HVAC. Gather a flathead screwdriver or trim tool, a new compatible filter like AC Delco A3132C, and gloves. Open the glove box fully and depress the stop tabs on the sides. Lower the glove box carefully. Locate the plastic filter housing cover inside the cavity, secured by clips or screws. Remove the cover and pull out the old filter, noting the airflow direction. Insert the new filter in the same orientation, reattach the cover, and ensure a tight seal. Lift the glove box back into place, securing the stops. Close and test the HVAC system to confirm proper airflow. This DIY task takes 10 to 15 minutes.